Hi, hello and welcome to Math Day. Before going to start the video, I want to wish you a very happy new year. I hope this year will bring you all the happiness, joy and wealthy to you and your family. So let's start the video. In this video, I am going to explain about the first chapter, that is real numbers. So let us see what are the topics you are going to learn in this chapter. Division algorithm. So in the earlier we learnt about the divisions, right? So we can check the division whether it's right or wrong by using the division sentence. That is, dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That also we can recall in this chapter. Next, Euclid's division lemma, the most important topic, that is Euclid division lemma. So in this chapter we can find the Euclid division lemma Hcf by using the Euclid's division lemma. LCM and Hcf by prime factorization method. So there are different methods are there to find the LCM and Hcf. In this chapter we can use prime factorization to find the LCM and Hcf. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So there are some theorems which you are going to learn in this chapter. One of the theorem, that is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Rational numbers and their expansions. So there are different types of numbers: whole numbers, natural numbers, integers, rational numbers. What are the rational numbers? How to represent that? What are the properties of the rational number? What are the expansion? Things you are going to learn here. Irrational number. The numbers which are not rational, those are called irrational number. Our chapter is real number. Real numbers means that all the rational and irrational numbers are called as real number. So here we can find how to differentiate the rational number, how to differentiate the irrational number, what are the difference between the two. And finally, properties of logarithms. And final topic is properties of logarithms. So in this we will learn the log formulas to solve the problems. So these are the topics you are going to learn in the first chapter, that's real numbers. Life is full of numbers. Imagine the moment you were born. Your parents might be noted the date, time and your weight. Every day everyone use numbers in their daily life. Without numbers a day cannot be start and cannot be end. In this chapter we are going to explore the idea of the numbers. So let us see the magic of the numbers by considering one example. Raju was a merchant, so he was selling the eggs. Unfortunately, when he was selling the eggs on the road, the eggs were fall down and every egg was broken. So sadly he went to his home and he said this to his wife. Then his wife asked him how many eggs were broken. Raju replied in this way: if you count the number of eggs by pairs, one egg will be left. If you count the number of eggs by threes, two eggs will be left. If you count the number of eggs by fours, 3 eggs will be left. If you count the number of eggs by 5, 4 eggs will be left. If you count the number of eggs by 6, 5 eggs will be left. If you count the number of eggs by 7, then no egg will be left. And also he was said that the eggs were not more than 150. Now think how many eggs were broken. Don't get any confused. Let us solve this puzzle. He said that if you count by pairs, one egg will be left. So let me write that if you are counting by pairs, it means if you are counting by 2 eggs, one egg will be left. If you are counting by threes, 2 eggs will be left. If you are counting by 4 eggs, then 3 were left. If you count by 5s, 4 will be left. If you are count by 6, 5 will be left. If you are count by 7, there is no egg will be left. So sufficient number. When you are counting by numbers, when you are count by sevens, there is no egg will be left. And also said that there is not more than 150 eggs. The eggs were either equal to 150 or less than 150. Now we have to find how many eggs were broken. Now let us solve this puzzle from the last. He said that if you count by 7, then no egg will be left. It means that number is a multiple of 7. So let us take any one number. I am taking A. So the number of eggs were A. If you are counting by 7, no egg will be left. So it is a 7 multiple. I am taking 7p. And the remainder will be 0. No egg will be left. Then if you are counting by 6, 5 will be left. So the number of eggs A equals to, we are counting by 6, right? So 6q plus 5. Then if you count by 5s, we can write it as A equals to PQR, 5R plus 4. If you count by 4, 3 will be left. So A equals to 4S PQRS plus 3. Count by 3s. So A equals to 3t plus 2. We count by pair, so A equals to 2 p q r s t u plus 1. So now we have to find what is the A value. Now we can use trial and error method to satisfy this equation. He said that the number is a multiple of 7. So here we got multiple of 7. So it may be 70, 77, 84, 91, 98, 105, 112, 119 and so on in this way. Now let us substitute here. If A is if it is 70, then it can be satisfied because 70 into 70 there is no remainder. Then look at here, 670 we cannot possible. 611 66 but its number is 70. 4 will be the remainder. So this is not our number. Next check the 77. So it is possible for 77. Perfect. If you substitute here 77, then 77 equals to 6 into 1. So we can take 6 to 1 is 72 plus 5. So it may be satisfying here. Then let us substitute here. 77 equals to 5 into 15. 15 5 75. So 2 will be left. So it is not satisfying. So by considering all the numbers, so we can get 119 will satisfy all the condition. So the number of x were broken are 119. So this is a puzzle we can solve by this division algorithm. So let us understand about the division algorithm. For each pair of positive integers a and b, so here a is the dividend and b is the divisor. For each pair of divisor there exists quotient and remainder. For each pair of dividend and divisor there exists quotient and remainder. Let me write this in the equation form. So this can be written as dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here a is the dividend, so a equals to divisor is b into q is the quotient, so bq plus remainder is the r. So this is the division algorithm, and here the remainder should be lies in between the 0 to b, or remainder r should be greater than or equals to 0 and also less than b. Remainder should be lies in between the 0 to b. B is the divisor. So remainder it may be 0 or it should be greater than 0, and also it should be less than the divisor. So this is division algorithm. Now let us do some problems. Find q and r for the pair of positive integers satisfying a equals to bq plus r. So here he asking that we have to find the q and r values to satisfy the a equals to bq plus r division algorithm. So he given that a equals to 13 and b equals to 3. Now let us find the values of q and r. So the division algorithm we know that a equals to bq plus r. Here the a value is 13. So let us substitute here 13 equals to b is given as 3 into q, that we have to find q plus r, that is also we have to find. So in this we have to find the two values, that is q and r. So let us see how to find that values. So here how many 3's can be fit into 13? How many times 3 can be divided 13? So we can take it by the division. 13 divided by 3. 3 1s, 3 2s, 3 3s, 3 4s are 12. So 3 4s are 12. So by the remainder we get 1. So here it can be written as 13 equals to 3 into 3 4s 12 we got, right? So 4 plus what is the remainder we got here? 1. So q value that is 4 and r value is 1. So we can write q is equals to 4 and r equals to 1. So simply we can find remaining q and r's in this way. I hope you have understood what is the division algorithm and how to find the missing values like q, r. Then if you have understood well, then hit the like. If you have any doubts or any suggestion, you can write in the comment box. Do subscribe. Thank you for watching.